sleeping. Poor guys, woke him up. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah. Well, that was good news. Hello there, it's May 1st. Exciting day. I'm taking out the big bike today. So I've got my 2025 Tenere 700. Really like this bike. So first ride of the season on this bike. Should be awesome. Much bigger bike, so a lot of times I'm a little bit goofy on this one. Take my time a bit because it is so hot. It's top heavy, but trick with this bike, just keep it rolling. Okay. Oh, all right. December 1st, Premier Ridge, and you're not supposed to take your vehicles off of this main line. There. So they have this sign here that helps you out. So I'm going to be on this yellow line going right through the middle there, and it should hook up to Premier Lake Road access. So open first day today. I don't know, there might be some logs and stuff, and I don't have a chainsaw, but you know what, I'll go have a look. All right. Tenere's built to stand up on. I just put it in third usually because it's got such a good tractor engine, right? You can pull through those low RPMs, but still not have to worry about changing and upshifting. alkali lake. So a couple of resident loons out here. Nice spot though. I mean, lots of people out camping. It's not an official campground out here, but lots of people come. Look at those mountains up there. Beauty. Nice, wide open. Big ponderosa pines. Other people call them bull pines. Other people call them yellow pines. But they love this dry mountain climate. This is Premier Lake Road, and I got a sign behind me there. It's exactly like the one we started at, so yeah, just a right turn, go down to Premier Lake, see what's happening. There's a provincial park down here, really nice lake. Came out of Premier Lake and back to pavement here, so the road to my left takes us to 93-95, just slightly north of Skookumchuk, and that way we'll take you to Wassa Sheep Creek Road, and you can go up to Lucier Hot Springs and get through to White Swan too, but that's not the plan today. I'm going to head to the highway. I think I'm going to go up Canal Flat on the highway, put some highway on. turns I gotta think about, but should all work out. Just gonna go down and go over the river here. Here, that's a long ways down. Very nice. And you can see heading the other way. Very nice. My hands a rest. Yeah, that's one way of turning it off. Okay, that was a nice quick break. I went down to the bridge, had a drink of water, and I'm ready to go. So you stay on the main line, Skookumchuk, you have to get off of it and then get on the Torrent Road. My second left. Oh, look at these deer. Look at them all. They were sleeping. Poor guys woke them up. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah. Well, that was good news. Black-tailed deer, mule deer. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go down the Torrent Road. This goes up into the mountains on the Skookumchuk. Torrent kind of follows the railroad tracks and the power line.